गाइज लेट्स बी रियल, अगर कोई एक प्रोडक्ट वायरल हो जाए तो हम लोग हर जगह बस उसी को देखते हैं। पर क्या तुम लोगों ने कभी सोचा है कि कितने ऐसे अंडररेटेड जेम्स हैं जो किसी की लिस्ट में नहीं होते? ना कोई हाइप, ना स्पॉन्सरशिप, बट स्टिल दे परफॉर्म लाइक क्रेजी। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ 5 अफोर्डेबल अंडररेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स जो शायद तुमने कभी नोटिस भी नहीं किए, बट ट्रस्ट मी, वंस यू ट्राई देम यू विल वंडर कि ये पहले क्यों नहीं दिया। एंड यस, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, इट्स नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड, इट्स टोटली माय ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू बेस्ड ऑन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस। सो सिट टाइट क्योंकि एक एक प्रोडक्ट भी हिडन जेम है। So let's start strong with this Plum Yuzu and Alpha Arbutin Weightless Fluid Sunscreen, and it's literally one of the best texture sunscreens I have ever used. I swear this one so slap on, like nobody's hyping this sunscreen. I'm not even exaggerating. इसका texture is so thin and fluid, feels just like a serum. एक second में absorb हो जाता है ये skin में, gives no white cast and no greasy feeling. और सबसे important बात, it doesn't peel at all, guys. Even under my makeup, it makes the perfect base. And अगर तुम एक ऐसी sunscreen ढूंढ रहे हो जो lightweight हो, breathable लगे और चिपचिप बिल्कुल ना करे, then this one is a solid pick. It comes with SPF 50 and has PA4+, and it has alpha arbutin for that mild brightening effect too. So you're not just getting sun protection but brightening benefits too. And the Yuzu lemon extract gives it a subtle citrus vibe. इसमें fragrance भी नहीं है तो sensitive लोगों के लिए भी it's perfect. It's not strong or irritating at all. मुझे summer में भी ये काफी सूट की थी और अभी humid weather के लिए भी it's so perfect. It's that lightweight. It retails for 499 rupees for 50 gram quantity. Affordable है, especially for the formulation it delivers. Bro, trust me, this is that underrated gem that nobody talks about. But it should definitely be in your skincare routine. And yes, again, not sponsored at all. Real opinion है. I have used it multiple times and I keep reaching back for it. The next one is so slap on. Like, seriously, this Plum's Hemp Cleansing Oil is so amazing. I literally never hear people talk about this, but it's such a solid find if you're into double cleansing. सबसे पहले, the texture is super smooth. It's not thick or runny, just the perfect lightweight oil जो skin पे easily glide करता है. Makeup melt करना हो या sunscreen breakdown, ये सब कुछ करेगा. This one does the job in seconds. It removes my stubborn mascara and my waterproof lipsticks in seconds. No tugging, no rubbing, gone in one go. Rinse करने के बाद भी कोई ऑयली फिल्म नहीं रहती, which I really love. स्किन क्लीन लगती है बट बिल्कुल ड्राई आउट नहीं करता ये. इट्स पैक्ड विद हेम्प सीड ऑयल प्लस भर भर के सेरेमाइड्स भी है इसमें, सो बैरियर फ्रेंडली भी है ये, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव सेंसिटिव और ड्राई स्किन. एंड क्लेंजिंग ऑयल्स यूजुअली थोड़े प्राइसी होते हैं बट दिस वन इज सुपर अफोर्डेबल. ट्रस्ट मी, इट लास्ट सुपर लॉन्ग और फ्रेग्रेंस भी बिल्कुल माइल्ड है, तो कोई इरिटेशन या ब्रेकआउट का इशू भी नहीं हुआ मुझे पर्सनली. एंड इफ यू हैव बीन इग्नोरिंग डबल क्लेंजिंग बिकॉज ऑफ बजट एंड लेजीनेस, then girl, this is your sign to start. And this Plum one is a perfect product to begin with. Underrated, 100% worth it. Hell yes. Now let's talk about my favorite concealer. My obsession level with this concealer is on level 100. This Mask Cancel Concealer, trust me, this is literally the only base product I reach for most of the time. I can skip foundation totally. I don't need any BB cream. ये concealer alone does it all. सबसे पहले, the formula is so creamy, super blendable, and the coverage is wild. Literally, it covers everything from dark circles to redness to dark spots, all gone in seconds. And the finish is not drying or patchy at all. It settles beautifully into the skin without looking cakey. My shade is 04 Natural Charm, perfect neutral tone for my skin tone, and bro, it literally melts into the skin. एकदम second skin वाली vibe आती है इसको use करने से. Also, it doesn't crease much if you set it right. I have worn it for hours and hours, no fading, no weird patches. And guess what? The price point is insane. Yes, under rupees 250 and you get this kind of formula. Like, are you for real? Mars ने literally इस concealer के साथ cancel कर दिया है expensive concealers को. So if you haven't tried it yet, you are seriously missing out. Highly recommended. And the next one is super underrated. Like, I seriously don't know क्यों कोई इसके बारे में बात नहीं करता. This Inside Loose HD powder is literally a hidden gem, guys. Like, seriously, it works just like any expensive luxury product. The texture is so damn finely milled. It feels like makhan. Melts into the skin, no flashback, no patchiness, no caking. I use it to set my under eyes, my T-zone, and bro, it keeps the shine away like a pro. It doesn't move your makeup, plus it doesn't feel heavy at all. एकदम weightless formula है इसका, और सबसे बड़ी बात, the price is insane. It's under rupees 200 and the performance is high-end level. So if you're still sleeping on this powder, अब तो उठ जाओ यार. You need this in your makeup stash like as soon as possible. I love it, love it, love it. And now let's end this video with a lipstick जो literally मेरी obsession बन चुकी है. It's the Blur India lipstick in the shade Call Me Daddy Plum. और bro, it's a perfect nude shade. Like I swear I have never loved any nude this much. पहले लगता था कि nude lipstick मुझे सूट ही नहीं करती, but this one totally a game changer. It's that warm, muted, brownish nude that flatters Indian skin tones so well. Formula is perfectly creamy, comfortable, and it gives matte finish but not drying at all. Full power pigmentation है इसकी, एक swipe and you're good to go. I have literally worn this for college, events, brunch, functions, weddings, everywhere. It's that everyday staple lipstick for me जो हर outfit के साथ चल जाती है. Plus it's vegan, cruelty free and super affordable. If you're on the hunt for that one perfect nude, just get this shade. I am telling you, you won't regret it. I am obsessed and you will be too. Trust me. And bro, with this one, we have finally come to the end of this video. ये थे मेरे 5 underrated affordable gems जिन पे literally कोई बात भी नहीं करता. But trust me, I am so obsessed with them. Every single product shown in this video is Barira proof, tested, loved, and literally part of my daily routine. अगर आपको value for money product चाहिए without breaking your bank, trust me, इन products को try करो. You'll thank me later. और हाँ, सबका link description में मिल जाएगा. So check them out easily. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो like करो, subscribe करो, and share it with your girl gang. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में with more honest reviews, more Barira vibes. Until then, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.